Companies cannot hire fast enough to keep up with their workforce demands, and competition is fierce for those high-potential people who will deliver innovative solutions or go above and beyond for your customers. Data-driven recruitment is the key to attracting and keeping the right talent needed to meet business objectives and hiring them at the right price. The recruitment process is a treasure trove of data that, when mined carefully, reveals important information on whether or not a candidate will be the high-performing employee your organization is looking for. It's the difference between making decisions on gut feeling and making them based on facts. What data-driven recruitment looks like. What the recruitment team needs is a seamless way to connect all employee data, from sourcing to hire and beyond, and also tie this into their strategic workforce planning. With this complete picture at their fingertips, recruiters can more easily and effectively meet the demands of the organization. An approach focused on utilizing workforce intelligence, the combination of HR analytics and strategic workforce planning, enables you to answer your most critical recruiting questions with confidence and improve the team's business impact. Here are a few benefits of this data-driven method. Increase quality of hire. The ability to track new hires across the employee lifecycle helps you discover what makes an effective job candidate and a bad one. This means looking beyond how quickly someone was hired and if it was at the lowest price possible. Data-driven recruiters dig deep into metrics such as qualified applicants per requisition, which indicates whether your sourcing practices are delivering those effective employees, resignations, and involuntary turnover for less than 3 months of service. New hire performance by lead source, top talent characteristics, advanced in-memory workforce intelligence applications make it easy to run tailored algorithms to help identify these. Otherwise, you can manually calculate using some elbow grease. Predict speed of hire. Wouldn't it be great if you could provide more accurate hiring time estimates to stakeholders? When properly done, workforce analytics enables you to know with confidence how long it is likely to take to hire for a certain role, including time in each stage of the hiring process. With this information, you can provide more credible timelines to stakeholders. Likewise, this data-driven approach can reveal the bottlenecks slowing down hiring and inform you on the right actions to take to fix them. Improve the candidate experience. The Talent Board's North American Candidate Experience Research Report. Organizations are better able to deliver higher quality talent, improve recruitment efficiencies, and align more closely with business objectives when the candidate comes first. While candidate experience has been a hot topic for decades, many organizations still struggle to improve this important part of the hiring process. There are a number of areas recruiters and the talent acquisition team need to work on, but how do you know which one your company is guilty of? Analytics bring the factors that impact candidate experience to the forefront, and a workforce intelligence solution can help you quickly measure the effectiveness of each. Whether it's time since initial contact, time between stages, interviewer name, and so on, you'll be able to tell what's increasing or decreasing the likelihood of a candidate withdrawing his or her application, and create strategies to decrease the odds of losing strong candidates. Embed diversity into recruiting process. Traditional recruiting methods make it hard to tell whether you'll hit your diversity targets or ensure equity during the process. Instead of guessing, use analytics to continuously monitor your hiring funnel for important demographic ratios such as gender, ethnicity, and veteran status. This enables you to better track diversity and implement the correct evidence-based programs to increase diversity throughout your pipeline. Deliver on recruiting capacity. Recruiting is a fine balance. Overhiring can create an unnecessary cost burden, while underhiring can reduce productivity. In order to stay on track, recruiters need fact-based hiring plans that are continuously updated to reflect the most current state of the company. Data-driven workforce planning, done in collaboration with talent acquisition and finance, enables recruitment to create more accurate hiring plans, ones that use forecasts based on historical rates for factors such as employee turnover, internal movement between departments, and hiring success.